Natum App. So new trending app. Upload any chart, get entry, stop loss, take profit scenarios, and risk assessment in seconds. So free analysis after registration and one screenshot ready trade plan. So how does it work? Like you just upload a chart from TradingView, Binance, Bybit, any platform, any time frame, and then you can just get a structured trade plan, entry, stop, targets, confidence, everything in one place. For people who are just starting with trading, this is actually quite cool app because you can learn all of this yourself. When exactly to trade, when to stop, when to exit. Here you just upload it, AI analyzes it and gives you suggestions. uh, AI doesn't guess, every conclusion is verified by a parallel network before reaching you. Only strong signals, risk defined before entry instant. So pretty cool new app. And then you can just get 60 chart analysis or 200 quick analysis for $20, $20. So quite cool. I just heard about this app. So Natum app. Just go upload your screenshot and give it a try. Saves you weeks, maybe even months of training